Hi everybody, today we're talking about geometric shapes like circle, squares, triangles, and rectangle. Circle is round all the way around. Square has 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 sides also, but 2 are short and 2 are long. And if you put 2 rectangles together, you make a square. And if you put 2 triangles, well, triangles are 3 sides, but if you put 2 together, it makes kind of a diamond or a kite shape. If you put 2 circles together, it's just 2 circles together, but it looks like a figure 8. And these usually look like wheels. And let's see what we can come up with. These are good for making buildings or doors on buildings. So maybe I have a city that I'm putting together here, and a big sun or the moon up in the sky, and maybe a mountain in the background. That could be my work today. And I want to practice cutting and tracing and drawing and all that stuff. So we'll have different sizes of shapes too. That's a hex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. 8 sides would be octagon. But let's see what we can make with this. If we have a circle and a square and 2 rectangles, what does this start to look like, kind of? We'll have 2 different. And there's my hat. Kind of looks like a person, sort of, right? Okay, let's try something different. What about could be a car. I want it to look more like a car. So what I might do is cut parts. I could cut the triangle in half also, and that would look kind of cool. I want to build this up, more rectangles. But we'll be cutting these, and then you get to make whatever you want. So this would be kind of fun. I have a blue rectangle for my windshield. And then this is a truck or a bus. Push this forward. Almost looks like an American flag, but there we go. So there are so many things you can make with circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Everything in the world is made up of shapes. You do know that, I hope. It's kind of fun to do this. You are the master controlling what you do with this, and it is a neato deal. Now, I could not find the smaller triangles, but if I do this, what do I have? Blast off. Oh, let's go yellow and red. Red, that'd be great. So you can see what we can make with all these things. Now, I like to show you to fold your paper in half, cut at the same time, and you have 2 rectangles, right? So if I can, and you choose which ones that you want to cut and what color they will be, but turn your paper, spin the paper as you cut a circle, and that will help you decide what is more round, right? And then if you're making triangles, it's easy. Use the edge. This is the bottom. Come straight up to the top. And there you go, and there's 2. And those look like mountains. And then I have all this left over to make. Well, that's mountains or a crown. And then we need squares. So I want to see you cut at least 2 of every shape if you can. And there's our rectangles. So today we're cutting rectangles, triangles, circles, and squares with primary colors. You can make anything you want. This is a lot of fun. And we're practicing getting better at cutting. I hope you've enjoyed playing with shapes today. See you soon.